Raglan Road PJ's Poison is a must-have when visiting Disney Springs. But can we make it at home? And can we be responsible about it?
It'd be irresponsible not to drink. I'm just talking about a nightcap.
Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice. The main ingredient to making this cocktail is the whiskey orange marmalade. But we will be making whiskey orange simple syrup that can be used not only for this, but other cocktails. Break out a saucepan and add 3 to 5 ounces of your favorite whiskey. If you want an Irish flavor, go with Bushmills. Behind that, we are going to want to add rind of a half of lemon, sparing our pulp and juice for later. Next, we are going to want to quarter a whole Mandarin orange, squeezing the juice and adding the rind. When that begins to simmer and your house smells like Tennessee sour mash, add a half cup of sugar while stirring, ensuring that the sugar crystals do not burn or caramelize. After about 2 minutes, your rind should have the appearance of candied fruit. This is when you should add in a half cup of water and your sugary citrus mix, about 2 ounces at a time. After dissolving your sugar completely, allow your mix to simmer for 15 to 17 minutes, ensuring that the liquid content reduces by half. When content has reduced, strain and place syrup in refrigerator for 3 to 5 hours, ensuring it cools completely. When syrup cools, add lemon pulp and a quarter of a mandarin to your shaker, crushing the contents, releasing citrus notes. Now, I know what I've said about gin in the past, but the recipe calls for me to shake this, and I don't have any cheap gin on hand. So, add 2 ounces of your cheapest gin on hand, sparing your good stuff for your martinis. Add 2 dabs of rhubarb bitters, even though in the shot I'm using orange bitters.
Dishonor on your whole family!
2 teaspoons of our simple syrup. Ice our lid, add to shaker. Shake until condensation forms and shaker becomes ice cold, and add to an iced down glass before adding our Perrier mineral water. Twist lemon peel, dispersing residue on the rim. Stir, garnish, and serve. And there you have it, guys. This cocktail will for sure get you kudos at your next party and make you feel like singing. Just know, if reindeer start to sing with you, it's not from the drink. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me some feedback. Until next time, cheers.